I wish I had my camera.
You wish you had what?
My camera.
Yeah.
My, you know, long
Did you
exposure.
get that one then?
Nah.
Looked like you did.
I
Yeah,
don't know.
up there.
Don't know.
It's going to blow.
But Jake has just been watching these, right?
Yeah, it's fantastic, Jake. Good spotting, Jake.
I knew it was going to come.
The weather.
Whoa!
Wow.
That is the thickest
Peace out if you like this video.
We like it.
Hey, Dad, can you pass me that?
Guys, for sure, we
Thanks,
actually
man.
like it for sure.
Again.
Have you got a video happening yet?
Oh, do you want me to?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Can you do this?
Did that go down
Talking
over
about
there?
it, do it.
Yeah.
Really?
That could over there. You wouldn't want to be over there.
Dust.
That's like Dingley over
Done
there.
it.
Walk
I
over
was
there.
editing video.
Are you,
Yeah, that'd be
are you
somewhere.
recording?
Yes, recording.
Okay.
If there's any lightning,
That's not
I can
fine.
see. Oh, did you see that? Peace out if you see that piece of lightning.
Yeah,
Please. There's Jake, my favourite guy.
it's going to
This
blow!
is probably.
It's gonna blow.
Yeah?
It's a really bad camera.
This is probably east of you, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's what Jim said.
What can it do to a house?
Hit it. Hit a tree and make a tree fall.
Could someone die?
Well, if they were under the tree.
Hope not.
Jake, right?
Oh, that would
No
be cool
one-
around there, wouldn't it?
Can I go? Can I? I'll go.
No, just stay here.
Oh, pig, my God!
Don't worry about Pig.
Well, look that way. You're missing going to miss it, Jake.
Pig will come back.
I'm gonna put that on video.
I think you missed
Oh.
my beauty.
But you
That
can
was
get it in
good.
video. Are you?
That was good, darling.
Let's get it on video!
That was about 4 at once, wasn't it?
No, no,
Oh, it's getting closer.
Yeah. Go
Goes-
back in here, Jim.
no!
Where's
Where's
this-
slow?
Where's the
Over
clouds
there.
going?
They had 'em over
No,
there.
which way is the clouds moving? Towards us or over
Yeah,
that
it looks
way?
like it's moving slowly, drifting slowly that way.
That ain't good. That really
Because
ain't.
it's moving more above that house there.
Yeah.
It is coming to us. It's getting blacker, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, blackout.
The blackness is coming.
The blackness. Shit, not the blackness. Anything but the blackness.
Whoa! It's gonna
Hey,
cook. Can you see
Micah!
that house?
No, we'll be right. We'll move before that.
Wish that street light wasn't there.
I know, I was thinking the same. You got a slingshot?
I'm going to get them.
Walk directly between
I'll
mum
be
and dad.
back.
Yeah, like that, yeah.
Did you see that?
It's so humid though, isn't it?
Love it. That breeze is nice. Ooh.
That was big.
Yeah, right. If you were directly under that one, it was big.
Oh, that wind's nice.
Yeah. And the wind's coming this way, Liz.
Yeah.
So it might come back our way a bit.
And I think we'd probably go inside. Oh, it's all over there.
Did you see that? Sorry.
Yeah, we did.
It's all over behind that one.
I did, but there's no piece of camera.
We need to move more forward, don't we?
We have black.
We need a blackout. Need to find more.
Oh.
That was a big.
This would be good down the wetlands.
Yeah, it would be.
You know that stupid street light in the way.
I'll stand up on the fence.
And that stupid person's light across the road in the way.
Nan, come!
There's Ned. It is Ned. There's a big storm.
Oh, big one, Jake.
You probably
Woo!
That is
Lisa.
He's going for a jog.
Who?
In the storm.
Oh, he'll be back.
Who
He
did?
could
Benny.
get electrocuted.
It's going to
He'll
west.
come back. He wanted to go for a run. He asked nicely.
He's going to the west. That's the west.
That's east, Jake. Whoa.
Wow.
No, Liza, look who that is.
Oh, a little cat, guys. Oh, he got scared. Bye.
Cheers, man.
You know what?
See the door
If she
stand?
wanted the dog so much, she should have trained it
See the
to.
door stand?
Yeah.
She could have.
Big.
She could.
Jake, watch for cars.
There's no cars, Liz.
No, but he's got to learn to look. He's got
No, no. We've told him a million times. If he doesn't get it through his head, well, maybe there's something wrong.
That have some
No. I wanted to go back to the subject. If she wanted a dog so well, what most normal humans been doing, and I've got this on footage, is that you train that.
Oh, Jim, you're not looking.
No, I've got it. It's
look, he's willing.
steady. You train your dog to come home.
Yeah.
It's simple as that.
But the dog comes home anyway.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
Liza, don't go picking it up. Leave
The
it.
dog, he always comes.
Jake, are you watching for cars?
Is that right, Liz?
Yeah, he always comes back. He goes
Always.
for a jog. He likes it. He likes his own time. Jacob, look for cars. You did not.
Yeah, you look, Jacob. That was multiple. Where's my camera? I wish I had my camera. I'd go down the wetlands. Get nice, beautiful lightning photography. And best one I've seen for ages.
Well done, Jacob. You looked.
Of strike lightning.
Wow.
Wow. It almost makes you a bit paranoid when it gets that close, doesn't
I
it?
know.
Well,
Time to go in. It almost makes you paranoid when it gets that close.
gosh. The thunder's
it's a long
getting
way away.
closer, louder, so it's coming this way. But we've got a bit to go, yeah.
And then when it hits the top of that street
Yeah.
post, yeah.
That's what I want on film.
Alright, come over, so look for cars.
That was a bit.
Look for cars, Jacob.
Jeez, that's some serious thunder.
Oh my bros, Dad. Well, Dad, you're doing great. Benny!
Leave him and he'll come back. Don't chase him. Liza. Jake, come back and he'll come. Watch for cars.
Oh, there's a cat.
Yeah, just come.
Benny. No, wait, there's a cat and Benny. Oh, cat and Benny, look.
Yeah, it's alright.
Brenda, just look. Cat and Benny. Look at cat and Benny. Dad, look, Brenda. There's a cat and Benny. No, Jake. Jacob.
Oh yeah, we're getting rain now, Dad.
Yeah, that's good.
Just take him into Nan, Jake.
Why do you just let them be kids?
I know, I'm talking about that. Liza, don't let him go. Liza! She's taken off with the dog. Eliza!
Good riddance, they can live together.
Eliza! Bring him back, please. Oh my god, it's like talking to a brick wall.
Still recording.
Now go take him into Nan, please.
He's heavy.
Yeah, well, don't let
He's
him
a good
go.
even oldie.
Okay, good.
Can you open the door for Liza?
And don't let him back out.
Please.
Where's a tripod when you need it? You just put it on
Yeah,
the
you
fixing
need
them
a
on.
tripod, yeah. Or an armrest. Hello.
Wow, that looks cool.
Boom. The rumbling down in the guts.
The rumble.
Yep.
No.
Ooh, Dad, you don't look.
No, Liza. I still got it. I haven't moved my arm. But I just don't want your liver to dysfunction after
You got it,
it's
man. Don't get that
Don't
drink.
wait.
Your liver to dysfunction. Peace out if you like this video.
Liza, we don't talk like
And a big
Yanks.
thumbs up. Oh, sorry.
See, you ruined it.
Sorry.
No. It was cool, man.
And it was a big thumbs up. Bye, Eliza.
And thumbs up to you, baby doll. Whoa.
That looked close. That won't be far away.
Jake wasn't letting me.
Can someone else do this? Give me arm a rest, and I just want to
I'll do
bloody
it.
have a look myself. Because I'm looking through the lens.
Sorry,
rain
that?
in.
Yep. Right in that area, about just right there. Yep. Around that area. Around that area there. You might,
No
you might
rain,
capture
not
some
good.
lightning.
What? You can drink that.
The rain's good for you, Jake.
Can I just do one thing? One thing. Well,
Mum, can I just sit up here?
yeah.
Here, you can use this as a rest for your arm.
Liza!
Right, adjust this to your height here,
Oh yeah, that's fine. That's good.
and then you
Hold
just
up.
hold it where you want. I'll put it on the back of the car.
Yep. No worries.
Is he gonna put it? Are you gonna put it on YouTube?
Yeah, I will.
Oh yeah. This is good. Can I hear?
Just a shame this thing can't be angled.
Yeah, okay. Well, I can get you a block to put under it.
Yeah, a little block.
Possum, guys, look right here! Jim,
Look, Dad.
Jacob, possum!
Oh, should I get a video of it?
Liza! Liza, look!
Possum! Hey, Beak! Beak! Say hi.
Oh, that's the same possum. That's cool.
Give me Beak! Beak!
He's running through his life.
Jim, there.
Yes, Mr. Possum, dude.
Jim.
Just a chalk. Yeah. Chalk.
And you vary it to make your own height.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's about right already. Yeah, that's it already. Just gotta get it even. Hold on.
Oh, Jim.
Yeah, well, we're gonna get more, Dad.
Make sure you
We
get
got tons.
Get nice and warm. They're gonna put it
Yeah,
on
make it
YouTube,
flat and use another one.
Yeah, good.
See? Put that. Make it flat.
Can you make that one thin
Thin.
for me?
I don't know what thin is.
Yeah, that's it. That'll be it. That'll be it.
Mum,
Oh, yeah.
Jay, can you hop off the top of the car, please?
this is plastic.
Look, the possum's going
Ah,
back.
that's perfect.
Watch
Yeah,
it. Ready?
So
Don't stare
it's not
at
gonna be. It's gonna be like that
Yeah,
slightly.
Listen.
Sorry, I'm watching
Listen.
myself. I haven't
No.
seen anything good. Yeah. You're on that side here.
It's in the tree.
Yeah,
And now-
leave him.
Turn
Yeah,
your.
no, that's right. Oh wow.
Oh, turn this.
That.
Jake, hop
make
off,
your level.
hop off there now, please.
Yeah, off the car, mate. Off the car.
Get off the car.
Get off the car, Jacob.
I just heard that go through that.
Oh, did you say green
the wire.
tinge?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you say the green tinge then to that?
Jacob, get off the car.
Jake, we
It's
just
not
get off the
safe.
fucking car, Jake.
We are adults. Naughty. I didn't want to have to do that. I didn't want to have to do that in such a happy time, Jake. Okay. Look, there's a possum right there.
Oh, there's another, it's a baby one. Tell Eliza, Eliza.
Baby possum.
It's a baby. Oh, he's scared. Oh, don't scare
Yeah,
him.
no. Come here to us. Kids, you're not listening about the car. Get here right now.
You understand this lightning's
Oh my
getting
God.
closer. You can't
right
be on top
there.
of the car, Jake.
He's next to us.
If you stand here, he might come back because I think that's his mum up there.
Yeah, it's calling. Did you hear that noise it made?
Yeah.
Oh,
Now just
yeah.
stay still. And you'll see it go past, but don't frighten him. He might fall off and hit his head. He'll come back if we be very quiet.
Where is it in the tree?
He's just there. On the
Where we go?
He'll come back if we be very, very quiet. See, his mum's looking at us, probably telling him when he should go. But just be very quiet. Don't make a noise.
Jesus, that fucking Jacob. Oi,
There's a baby possum there. It's about, it went across, but the kid's scared it's going to its mum. There's a
It's
baby
just in the
possum
tree.
in the tree. It will come across the line if we be quiet and move back here, Jake.
Jacob, stand here. Stand here, don't go near it.
Shh, just be quiet and it will come. Yeah, but can you stand there?
I was going to say, Dad.
Yeah.
And that's the baby.
Yeah.
And the mum was calling.
There's another one.
Oh,
Maybe that's the mum.
That could, yeah, gone over both trees.
No, the
he's
other one's
there.
over the light. There's three of them
and
now.
there's one there.
That's the baby there. They're
Maybe
two
it's the
adults.
dad.
So is that's mum,
Dad.
dad, and baby.
Oh, that's getting close, isn't it?
Yeah, but just stay still.
No, it's not that close. Count the seconds.
Yeah.
Oh, look, they're kissing.
Oh,
Oh,
beautiful.
they climbed over each other. You missed it, Liz.
Oh, we got
Sound travels
They
at
just
300
climbed over each other.
meters per second, so that actually didn't make a noise.
No, Liza,
Oh, there's another one.
There's a third one. I've never seen this many possums in my life.
Is that the baby?
No, that's a normal one. The baby's sitting up there.
sister.
It's scared.
Yeah, it's a bigger brother or sister.
Yeah.
Maybe he's just lucky and has 2 wives.
Well, well, that could be a disadvantage too. Couldn't it, Jim?
Or maybe.
Could. Oh my. At least I got to see a good
Maybe
one.
he's
That
having.
lit up. I was looking at you, and that lit up your face.
Yeah. That was a ripper.
Sorry.
Maybe he's having an affair and she's just come home and caught him.
Yes. That's-
Look at them.
Look,
She's not happy.
But the baby needs to go home.
it'd be terrible if they just suddenly got fried.
Oh, don't say
They went
that,
up in
you're-
sparks.
Or us.
That's 3 possums we've seen, Liza, and a baby. The baby's just sitting there waiting
Quite
to
a
come out.
Lighting
Yeah,
just
4.
came
Yeah, 3 and a
the
baby
camera.
is 4. Liza, stay still.
Oh, wow.
You come back here now, Liza. It's getting close. Come back. Liza.
It's coming.
I know, but they're all family.
Yeah, but just stay still, Liza, and the baby might go.
Oh, don't touch it. Don't touch
The
it.
baby. Yeah, just stay still. Liza, it can see you. So how about you just stand still and look this way, and it might move.
It just seems to have moved
Liza.
a bit this way.
It's not going to come.
No, it
The
actually
closer you get, the less
Didn't we
likely.
just? Oh, lift it. Make it go back.
No, it's okay.
Go on, no,
But
go on, no.
I think this section is there.
Right, like there.
Yeah. No, that's right. Actually, that's a good point, Jimbo.
Smart ass.
No, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Yeah. Actually, there's too much of that tree though.
It's slowing down a bit, you think?
Nah. I think it's going pretty goddamn good
Stay
though.
still, Jake, because the baby's moving forward. Just stay very still. He's coming. The baby's coming. No one make any sudden movements, please. He nearly fell off.
Jake, come back here.
He's coming down.
Or just don't move.
He's coming down.
Yeah, it's coming down, see it? It's coming down.
Look, but be quiet, because we want him to go to his mum before the storm
There
comes.
we go.
Don't make a loud noise.
Imagine if it got annihilated by a fucking...
Eliza.
Hey, Liza.
The baby's going now. The baby's going, but be quiet. We don't want him to fall off. He's going very
The lightning
slowly.
strike out there.
Just learning how to do it. Is he a baby? Yes, it's a baby.
Oh, it's very small anyway.
No, it's the baby.
The river. Yeah, shh, just watch, because he could fall off.
Alright. Oh, that would look good.
Great silhouette.
Yeah, great
There goes
silhouette.
baby.
Shot.
Oh, how cute. Baby's going to mum.
Oh, beautiful!
Oh, he doesn't know which way his mum's gone, maybe. Oh, there was
I've
one
had
that
no
went
more
that
than you
way.
think.
Oh, look at it go. It's like super quick.
Yeah, it was. Like,
Let's climb that tree now. You see him all just dash out.
Yeah, he's found his mum. Oh no, there's the baby still up there. Oh, he's going into the tree now.
And there's one living in there.
Yeah, they're neighbours.
Yeah.
watch the road.
I'm going to see the headlines now that 5 members of the same family
Yeah.
wiped out by lightning strike. Plus 4 possums.
Whoa.
I haven't seen a storm like this for... I've never seen one this good for... Oh, this might be one of the best ones I've seen for a while. It's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Get here.
That's some serious lightning in it.
Oh,
No, but there's another one that
yeah.
went up into that tree.
Is that the mum?
Yeah, I must have been.
Look at me.
I thought this had a low light setting on it. For low light, I couldn't find it. I don't remember all the details.
Dangerous out there, sweet pea.
I mean the functions of the
Dangerous,
thing.
my
but,
darling
yeah.
heart.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it reduced the
Yeah.
noise. And but no, it's pretty good.
Good boy, Jake. Go put it in the bin.
All I know is that some serious...
Can't go
Jacob's-
down the
He
drain.
doesn't want us to go down the drain.
I won't let it go down our drain, mate.
He's so switched on. He did that when he went on his excursion.
No,
And
that's
Jakey,
good.
Jakey.
No, that's good to learn that, Jake. We don't want plastic in the drain. You're right.
Yeah. I was going to say, Jakey, we know of this storm all because of you,
Are you
mate.
sure that baby's okay?
Yeah, because there was an adult possum that went in that tree.
Any animal doesn't.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's some beautiful strikes of lightning, though.
Yeah, it is.
So powerful. Thor's coming, Liz.
Oh, cool.
Oh,
personally.
Paul's making it.
I want
Paul's
to
making the lightning. He's fighting an enemy over there.
If I go, wake me up when he's here, will you?
Even though we're a long way from Norway, Thor still is here.
Hey, wait. I think they might be sleeping together.
Yeah, it's okay. Keep him warm.
At least there'll be a nice few strikes on the footage list. Is that the best one you've seen for a while? Liz?
Yeah, it is. You don't see him much like that anymore.
Storm.
Yeah, with the lightning storms.
And the possums.
Lightning show.
How much possums?
I know, I've never seen that many possums all together like that either.
Who?
That was cool, they kept coming, didn't they?
Who does this?
A possum storm.
Who lets Rudolph?
Imagine if the lines just started getting full of possums just coming
Sweetie.
from everywhere.
Okay, if you want to see the storm, you're missing out on look. There's lightning up. Lots of lightning. It's gone.
We haven't
No, Jayan's gone
even-
just
we
yet.
haven't even had tea yet, Jimmy.
Oh, it's out that way a lot,
Guess it's takeaway. McDonald's.
but it's quite cool, eh?
Yeah, it's
I'm
lovely.
going
Yeah.
to put rhubarb in.
Okay, yeah, you might get a bit scared of the storm.
And for him to get safe and warm.
How could people not want to stand out and watch this storm? Geez, they're all addicted to the technology and their pornos and all this sort of stuff. Huh? What? Whatever it is,
Yeah, I know.
they should be out watching a storm.
Mum, there's no more lightning.
What? No more lightning?
Did you see how big that was?
That was massive.
That was
It's
massive.
getting closer to us.
But Mum, that baby one was so cute. How do you
I
know it
know.
was a baby?
Well, did you see the size of it?
It was small. What's
It's
it?
so cute.
Can we have McDonald's for takeaway?
KFC?
Can I do pasta?
Listen, it's getting closer.
I hope that, but I really feel sad now because he's gone. He's leaving. I feel sad. I don't want him to get electrocuted.
He won't, he'll be fine. They're safe in the tree. There's heaps of possums in all the trees and they're fine.
That would be a nice warm tea.
That would be. That looks nice in there and cozy. You right, Jake?
But he went in that tree. Still warm.
That's alright. You'll find a nice safe
The
spot.
adults, the two, dad and mum, like different dad and mums, I think went in there.
Yeah.
Any more lightning?
Oh yeah, massive
And
one
like
just
just
then.
up there a bit.
It did slow down for a second and then it just went bang. Beautiful big spread, multiple strikes. So,
Not the old forked lightning.
no, of course not.
Forked lightning.
Go and get forked, man.
Don't talk to me like that. I talk about the
I
lightning.
don't want to say this, but I found wet stuff in the ground.
Beautiful.
You what?
It's extending
Yeah.
across
It-
here.
Yeah.
We'll go wash it off, please.
No, it actually weed on me.
Yeah, we'll go wash
Granddad,
it
a
off.
possum weed on me.
Then
Well,
go
go and
wash
have
it
a
off.
go and get
No,
a
it actually dripped.
Yeah, we'll go rinse it off.
Dad, a possum weed on me.
rinse it off.
done, mate. So you
You'll be right.
Wash it off, Duff. Just don't lick it.
I'm going to get scared now.
Yeah. Bang. Oh fuck, it's really scary.
See, Justin was Jake. He was doing circle work then, like in the gym.
Jeez, you really are like Nan, aren't you?
What?
Confusing different names of family members.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that. Come on, you're doing circle work like that. Jake, like this. Jake, so you go round the ring. That's it. Come on.
Just fail on me.
No.
Seems to be disappearing more now, doesn't
Yeah, it's dissipating a bit.
I know you wouldn't actually. Yeah, it is, isn't it, right now? But wouldn't you love? But you, at the same time, right now, you're saying you wouldn't. If a strike just burst that entire tree in
Yeah,
half.
I love it. Yeah, 'cause
But not
look,
hit
look,
us.
Look where the tree is.
Yeah, no.
It would be fantastic.
Get a few million hits on YouTube.
Yeah, it would. Yeah.
it? No, she's saying rhubarb. Jacob just never stays still,
No, me either. You see Millie go past?
does he?
He's possum hunting. He's hunting that baby possum, mate.
Don't say that. Not the possum. Not the baby one.
Scratching on
Dad has nothing to do with
You
them.
go round, you go round. Go round like you do in
And
the yard.
people have said,
Yeah.
these are the same people, aren't they?
Yeah, used to feed the dogs. This was fine. The dog died.
Whoa!
So
I
we don't
hear
feed
a
them.
mum.
But he used to feed them people here coming out the driveway. The tall bathroom wear.
Yes, just yeah.
Oh,
I hear
really?
an eagle.
Yeah, I've been over there with the
I
kids to
hear an
feed
eagle.
An
Where's
eagle.
that? No, it's right over there. I hear a bird and something. I'm scared.
That's alright.
Yep, the electrical charge is not there no more.
All gone? All used up?
Oh, maybe not 100%, but
but-
yeah, it might be worth to just go inside and
All gone?
Come on, Liza, we're going to
see
go
later,
in.
Storm.
Oh, no, don't turn it
What
off.
am I doing? I
Well,
was just
you're a
joking.
fucking
I was just
idiot.
joking. I was tricking you, man.
Jesus, what sort of... Where's he from?
I don't know.
Did you just see that?
Yes.
I didn't see it in real life. I seen it through the screen and it was like that.
I'm going to come in. I might head in. You guys bring Jacob in.
You'll stay.
You'll slow mo this stuff, won't you?
I will. Leash,
Yeah?
can you let rhubarb out of the bedroom?
We can leave it on there.
Yeah.
Come back in a minute.
Yeah, I'll check. I'm going to stay here and have a rest.
Me too.
Yeah, I will.
Me too.
You stay with me? Okay, mate.
Stay there, Jake.
There's Millie.
Yeah. How do you feed her?
Hey?
How do you feed her?
Yeah, of course.
You should feed her every night.
Twice a day, morning and night.
Oh. But not 12 o'clock at lunch.
No. Twice a day, morning and night.
Uh-huh.
Just a little bit in the morning and a bigger feed at night.
Oh no!
Oh, here we go.
Back. What?
Did you see that one?
It was low, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was low. Low, baby, low.
Real low, but real fast and strong.
Power.
Yeah. If it hit the ground, it'll probably go a hole in the ground.
Mm-hmm. Think it made a hole in the ground?
Yes.
No, that's good. Well, that's what it did. That's what it did.